Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Financial Way. Today I'll tell you how to activate, register and apply for the internet banking of DCB Bank. As you all know, in this era of COVID, we all have to do transactions from our home. We are not able to go to the bank for mega transactions. And in every bank, if you're having the net banking, mobile banking, it becomes very convenient to do the transactions. So for DCB Bank, first of all you have to go to the bank and write an application for it, for the net banking application, or you can with account opening also you can just submit your application for the net banking. So they will send you a user ID and reset link for the password. From that you can reset. First of all, after getting the user ID, first of all in Google you have to type www.dcbbank.com. Here a screen will look like this. You have to click on these three icons. There, internet banking login option is there. You need to create a plus. Then you have to create a personal. There you need to enter user ID and password. That will be provided by the bank itself. So thank you guys. Hope you like my video. Please subscribe to my channel for more such updates.